Good morning, you all. As you all know me, AD. So what's happening? And again, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I upload. So today we are mainly focusing on Eurusd. I've seen some certain things that really I needed to change my mindset on, or my narrative on. Without wasting time, guys, let's get into it. So basically, as you can see, I'm on a daily time frame. That's where actually I start from a daily time frame, try to look at the whole overall movement of this particular pair or any pair. So according to my trading plan, I start from a daily time frame, especially when it is like the new week is starting out, or maybe it's Sunday market forecast. In these times it's Tuesday, tomorrow it's gonna be PPI, and then Thursday it's gonna be CPI. Without wasting time, guys, let's get into it. So looking at the market right now, you can clearly see that there are certain things that we can see on the charts. You'll have to forgive me, guys, my chart is very messy. I have like horizontal lines of which they represent really strong zones. Whenever the market touches those zones, the market reacts to those zones. I'm not saying it's going to reject on that zone, I'm saying it will react on those zones. So as you can see, we've been having those series of higher high, higher low, and had another higher high. Well, let me actually switch off this magnet thing. You understand? And then we had this high low, and we had another higher high. The market came back, created this high low, higher high. But now, as you can check, the market didn't really create a high low, but it created what? A lower low, or should I say a newly formed lower low? Because as you can see over here, we had what? A church. We had a church. A church simply means that we are changing from an uptrend to a downtrend, and vice versa, depending on the market structure and how it is. Understand? Feel me? So as you can see, mainly I want us to focus on this zone, or not actually the zone, this perimeter. I want us to focus on it. As you can see, guys, we had a break of structure right here. The market came back, give us what? The church. Now I'm actually looking for the chance to do what? Of course, as you all know, guys, the markets, what do? They inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. That's what they do. They change direction. That's what they do. They create trend. Whatever you can do, the market will always create a trend. You just have to identify the trend, identify the highs and the lows of the trend, and try to catch on a trade. So mainly, guys, I want you to focus on the market structure rather than you focusing on the entry, because entry is just a little thing, but you need to put all of your energy and focus on the market structure, because that's really very important. So as you can see, we had our church. So now I'm gonna dive into the 4 hour, try to look at my new candlesticks, the one, like, maybe look at the whole week, how the week has been going on, maybe from Monday or maybe from last week, how things have been going on. And as you can see, on the minor structure, we have this beautiful bearish structure giving us lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. As you can see right here, guys, the reason I made this video, I want you to be aware of what's currently happening here. I just realized something that I didn't realize earlier on. So as you can see, we had a church, right? But only for our time frame, you can see the market, it's really denying to really break below this zone. Neither is it breaking above this zone. So preferably, I'd like to say, in this case, I want to go deeper with the market structure, try to realize where can I identify my lower low, my lower high, and all those stuff. You understand? So as you can see right here, we have a break of structure. But today, as you can see right now, the candlestick went above the last lower high, and now I cannot really say it created a change of market character, because as you can see right over here, the candlestick didn't close above, but still, as it does this, what does it do? It pledges what? Liquidity. In this case, it pledges what? Liquidity. And in this case, as it pledges liquidity, there are high chances that it might come back again and kill those liquidity. So we can either see something like this. Right now it's around the New York session is about to close. We can either see something like this going up and it coming back and going up, or we can see a structure going down, coming over here and going up high. So why did I choose this demand zone? So guys, I want us to dive deeper to our time frame. As you can see, I marked my break of structure, my liquidity over there. So we have this liquidity. As you can see, we have what, a double bottom over here. This double bottom is the one that creates what, the liquidity, and below it you can clearly see that we have what, we have this beautiful demand zone. We have this beautiful demand zone over here, or you can call it order block, however you want to call it. Still the same thing, still the same entry point. So I'm gonna take my trades, gonna take my trade like this, put my stop loss slightly over here. My take profit one will be over this zone. That is my take profit one. As you can see, it's a beautiful almost 9R. We can track it up to 9R. It's no issue, almost 9R. And but truly speaking, guys, I'm expecting the chart to retrace all the way up to the high zones over there. So if you can catch on this entry model, or the entry point at demand zone, you can hold this trade all the way up to this zone, and that is a beautiful 27R. So for this one, I'd preferably say find money on your personal account, stack trades. As it is going up, you can, as you can see, the same way it came down, creating lower lows and lower highs, it's gonna create higher highs and high lows. So you'll get opportunities to go in the charts. As you can see, one could have caught a beautiful trade out of here. One could have caught a beautiful trade here, of which was gonna give us let us check what it was gonna give us. As you can see, whenever I mark my demand, the market always hits it. What's happening? You understand? You would have got a trade like this. Guys, I'm trying to be fast so that this video doesn't be long. One could have got like a beautiful trade off. 1:4. 1:4.5. Beautiful trade, guys. So yeah, switch on, guys, switch on. Watch out Eurusd, it's about to happen. And if you can check, I'm sure GU is also preparing the same setup. I'm looking on these trades, I'm looking on catching on them, and hope we all kill. Exactly, guys. I had a supply, the market killed the supply. What does it do after killing our supply? It gives us our clear church. Now this one, GU, is very beautiful because it has a clear setup. GU is beautiful because it has a clear change of market character. You understand? So you can catch on something like that. As you can see over here, it's another liquidity. So guys, just to give you a tip, when you wake up, if you live in South Africa, wake up 8 o'clock, start analyzing. Do not wake up at 8 o'clock, start analyzing at 8 o'clock. You will see magic. You will see magic. You will see magic, guys. The 8 o'clock candlestick is so much powerful, more than you can imagine, because that's when now the movement starts to happen. So we can expect something like this. We're gonna be taking our trades like that, taking the demand. Maybe you can take it slightly below for those ones of crazy spreads, and then as you can see, guys, beautiful one. For this one, GU, take profit one, just gonna be here, and then the rest gonna scale them all the way up there. Beautiful 17R. That's how I get them. Actually, I get those trades like 11R, 7R. I get them like daily, and normally it takes me like 2 hours, 3 hours to hit take profit. So guys, thanks for watching. Switch on, subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. See you on another video, guys.